And we are back here live at the Ateneo De Naga, from the UNC Sports Palace para sa ating regional qualifiers ng Pccl. A matchup between the Ateneo Golden Knights versus the UNC Greyhounds. At nagtapos ang ating first half with a score of 39-24 kung saan nakuha ng Golden Knights ang kalamangan. And tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter. Ano ba maging adjustment ngayon ng ating UNC Greyhounds sa paparating na second half? Hi Janelle, kamusta? Anong update sa ating?
Burns and Russell, may kita natin sa ating scoreboard na lumalamang na ang kabilang kupunan. Mas umiinit pa ang tensyon dito sa side ng Greyhounds. During the logout kanina, nabanggit ni Coach Miggy na huwag matakot sa kabilang kupunan dahil mas maganda pa ang kayang ibigay ng Greyhounds kaysa kanila. Paalala din ng coaches na huwag makipagsabayan at iwasan ang pag-commit ng foul during the play at magkaroon ng magandang komunikasyon para makuha ang magandang play. Dagdag pa din ito na huwag sumama ang lubog o personalin kapag napapagalitan sa loob ng hardcourt dahil ginagawa lamang nila ito ng mga coaches para maging maayos ang kanilang play. Yun lamang update dito sa side ng Greyhounds. Balik sa inyo.
Maraming salamat Janelle sa update sa side ng ating UNC Greyhounds. At partner, tingnan naman natin ano ba yung naging problema ng UNC Greyhounds during the first half.
And ayan nga partner, one of the problems kanina on the side of the Greyhounds, kaya sila ang sila ngayon ang naghahabol. It's because of the turnovers that they've had early on in the first half with 18 turnovers compared to Ateneo's with 13. Points off of turnovers na nakuha ng Ateneo sa 18 na turnover na ginawa ng ating Greyhounds was 10 points. Napakalaking puntos na yon and lamang on the side of the Golden Knights. Kung gusto nilang humabol dito sa ating third quarter at the second half, need nilang bawasan ang mga unforced errors na ginagawa nila.
Pero nakita rin natin yung pagsimula ng ating first quarter, napakagandang laro na pinapakita ng Greyhounds. And kailangan lang ibalik yung composure ng UNC ngayon. The bola ngayon ng ating Greyhounds. Valera has the ball. Heavily guarded by Asibor. Valera. Beautiful.
And to give us an update naman on the side of the Golden Knights, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Gaz. Gaz, ano?
Ayun. Tawagin naman natin ang ating courtside reporter na side ng Golden Knights. Hi Cass, kumusta? Anong update dyan?
Joshua and Russell, the intensity of the game continues to rise as both teams are working hard to get scores. During the timeout, Coach Nuki reminds the players to follow his order accordingly, play according to their role, and read the situation properly, followed by thinking immediately about what they can contribute to the group while they are on the hard court. Other than that, the coaches sense that some of the players are not in a proper state of mind to play, so he encourages them to make effort and set their minds on the game. For the third quarter, Coach Nuki encouraged the players to set aside the current score and focus on continuing the play. That's the latest update from the court side. Back to the panel.
Yan, maraming salamat Kaz from that update on the side of the Golden Knights. Pero going back dito sa ating ball game, turnover here by Almario.
Bola ngayon ng ating Greyhounds. Taugan. Nice crossover move there by Taugan. Taugan uses the glass. That's off. Caronan gets that offensive rebound. Plus 8 points coming from a bank shot. And he will step on the line to make his bonus shot. Karunan attempting to make a 3-point play. In and out, and that's good. It completes that 3-point play, mga kaibigan.
Asibor to inbound the ball para sa Golden Knights. Passes to Magno. Magno ngayon with the ball. Penetrates. Stops. Ganap ng mapapasahan. Gets to Asibor. 10 seconds para kay Asibor dito. Asibor goes inside. Fakes. Passes to the corner. That's a foul call by the referee. Magno with the ball, passes to his teammate. Asibor humingi ng screen dito. Stops, spins, goes to Valle. Valle penetrates. His attempt no good. Offensive rebound, Magno. Floater, no good.
Rebounded by Sarmiento. But Chancela now has the ball.
That's a steal by Asibor. Pulgar. Layup, that's good.
At napatawag ng timeout ang ating UNC Greyhounds with 6 minutes and 44 seconds left sa ating third quarter, 39-27. Don't go anywhere, magbabalik po kami.
This event is brought to you by Naga College Foundation, the home of the champions. Enroll now for as low as 2,000 pesos. For more details, visit www.ncf.edu.ph.
Back to the ball game tayo dito ngayon sa UNC Sports Palace, kung saan sa game 2 na tayo ngayon ng regional elimination round between the Greyhounds and the Golden Knights.
Ay, bola ngayon ng ating UNC Greyhounds. Passes to Karunan. Balik kay Taugan ang bola. Beautiful defense there by Valle.
Valle ngayon will inbound the ball. Passes to his teammate Magno. Magno with the ball here. Ganap na mapapasahan, doesn't find it. Gets a shooter, no good.
Rebounded by Chancela. Taugan. Diretso! Taugan!
Beautiful layup there by Taugan. Magno.
Lumilipad?
Yes, partner.
Lumilipad si Taugan.
Ang hang time, grabe. Pero yan, Valle, Pulgar, layup. No good, there's a foul. Two shots ngayon para kay Pulgar. First shot ni Pulgar is good. Second shot, Pulgar, no good.
Rebounded by Legaspi. Finding Karunan. Chancela. Beautiful crossover there by Taugan. Taugan! Once again, escaping the defense.
Beautiful penetration there by Taugan. Valle ngayon Ano kaya magiging sagot dito ng Golden Knights? Asibor humingi ng screen dito. Asibor goes inside, passes to Fulgar, to the corner. Valle penetrates, spins, fade away. That's a block.
Nice defense there. Karunan now has the ball. Karunan. Taugan. That is off. At yun, penalty bibigay kay number 26, Valle.
First shot is good para kay Valle dito. Second shot is good para kay Valle. Little scuffle there on the side of Magno and Taugan. Medyo nagkakainitan na dito sa ating third quarter. 4 minutes and 45 seconds remaining. I-review ng mga referees kung ano ang nangyari doon sa pagkakainitan ng ulo.
Ayun, kailangan rin para sa ating mga players, no? They have to maintain their, the emotions.
Yes. Keep their composure.
Keep their composure. Sabi nga kanina ni Coach Ron sa kanyang mga players, ilagay sa tama ang gigil.
Kahit mainit ang panahon, partner, ilang araw na.
Sumasabay sa
Init ng laro. Yun.
For the meantime, arat natin ang ating mga viewers dito kay Robin Hermosilla, happy viewing, and kay Marvin Reyes. And kay Neil San Benaventura.
Makikita natin sa ating instant replay kung ano yung nangyari kanina by Magno and Taugan. And Almario here, the peacemaker para sa scuffle na nangyari doon kanina. Hintayin natin kung ano ang masasabi ng ating mga referee.
Jersey number 88, Ateneo. Jersey number 23 of UNC, unsportsmanlike foul. And jersey number 28, Ateneo, disqualified foul. Save on UNC basketball.
And ayun na nga, partner. Magno will be out of the playing court dito, and Taugan will receive an unsportsmanlike foul. Isa sa mga magagaling na defenders ng ating Golden Knights, si Magno, will not be able to continue his ball game here.
Unfortunately, Bola ngayon ng ating Greyhounds, Karunan. Finding Bachansela. Bachansela finding Taugan. Taugan attacking the basket. At makakakuha ng foul doon si Taugan.
There's a foul. Jersey number 5, Jersey number 75, your second person.
And on the line is Taugan making his bonus shot. First attempt is off para kay Taugan. Second shot is good.
Ateneo ngayon ang nasa opensa. Acebor gets to Almario. Almario to Acebor. Acebor penetrates. Layup. No good. Agravante gets that ball. 3-pointer. No good.
Yeah, rebounded by Karunan. We have Bachansala. Passes to Preto. Nice block there by Almario. Pero andun si number 17 Karunan for the putback.
Ateneo will try again here on their offense. Almario. Almario humingi ng screen. Fires a 3. No good. Madridano with the rebound. Into the hands of Almario. Extra pass. That's no good. Pero may foul na nakita ang ating referee.
Jersey number 5, pushing foul.
2 shots ngayon para kay Beltran.
Ayun, shoutout sa iyo Kenneth Antero and kay Lourdes Nicole Aguirre na nanonood. Happy viewing po sa inyong dalawa.
Second shot, no good.
Ayan, bola ngayon ng ating UNC Greyhounds. Kylo now has the ball, passes to Taugan. Taugan fires a 3. No good.
Acebor ngayon. Acting point guard for the Golden Knights. To Almario. Almario dito. Goes inside. Layup. No good. Another foul for UNC.
And from Jul Evangelista, shoutout kay Eman Resoles. 10-point lead ang hawak ngayon ng Golden Knights, extending it to 11. 2 minutes and 50 seconds left sa ating third period, mga kaibigan.
And a quick shoutout tayo dito para kay Irvin Josh Ayaw and kay Ernie Provido. Special shoutout sa inyo mga kaibigan. Ateneo ngayon nasa opensa. Acebor with the ball. 2 minutes 30 seconds remaining sa third quarter. Acebor to Agravante. Agravante layup. No good.
Bola ngayon. Calo has the ball. Calo. Oh, good.
Madredana with that rebound. Asebor.
Was still there by Calo. 2 against 1. Laugan versus Almario at makakakuha ng foul doon. Si Laugan plus a points there. And timeout called by the Ateneo De Naga University. Don't go anywhere mga kaibigan, magbabalik po kami.
We're back live dito sa UNC Sports Palace para sa 2023 PCCL Regional Qualifiers. Second matchup for today, Greyhounds versus the Golden Knights. Kung saan ang Golden Knights ay may 10-point lead. Pero mag-a-attempt dito si Taugan to reduce the lead of Ateneo to only single digits.
On the line, Taugan making his 3-point play. And that's it.
Monay with the ball into the hands of Almario. Almario setting up his teammates. Almario goes inside, floater, no good.
Nasa penalty situation na rin ng ating Greyhounds. Under 1 minute and 36 seconds. Shoutout sa'yo, Mama, na nanonood. Joy Senora is watching. Taugan. Nagpapashoutout ang aking buting ina. Shoutout daw sa kanyang mga kabatch. Batch 82 of NCF.
Almario with the ball here para sa Golden Knights. Low scoring third quarter here. Almario fires a 3. That's good!
Bolo yan ang ating Greyhounds. Taugan. Once again on the line, is Taugan. And shoutout rin sa matinik na estudyante ng Ateneo de Manila University, Sean Sarmiento. Shoutout sa iyo, Sean. Happy viewing. And from Stephen Sirios, pa-shoutout po kay Ramil Salcedo.
Almario with the ball here. Ateneo needs to maintain their lead here. Almario goes inside. Two-pointer, no good. Offensive rebound. Almario plus a foul. Almario completes a three-point play.
Ayan ang bola ngayon ng ating Greyhounds. 49 seconds remaining time sa ating third period. Taugan versus Almario. Taugan, nilipad na naman. 14 seconds to shoot. End line, inbound play ngayon. Taugan. Beautiful block there by Beltran. Calo. 5 seconds to shoot. Sarmiento. Long two-pointer is good.
Ateneo with the ball here. Almario. 8-point lead by Ateneo. Almario setting up here. Three-pointer. No good.
And that's the end of our third quarter. 52-43. 9-point lead para sa ating Golden Knights. Don't go anywhere. Tutok lang dito sa Pccl Regional Qualifier only here at YNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
We are back live dito sa UNC Sports Palace kung saan mainit ang labanan ng Golden Knights and ng Greyhounds. Ateneo still on the lead here. That's a steal by Almario. Asibor fires a three. No good.
Rebounded by Caronan. Fast break. Taugan. Once again.
Almario steps back for a three. It's good! Three-pointer para kay Almario, putting them on a 10-point lead again. That's a foul by Almario.
Bola pa rin ang ating Greyhounds. Valera. Speed there to the big man. Cervantes.
Almario ngayon. Going inside. Heavily guarded by Taugan. Spins. Almario a layup. No good. Offensive rebound. Almario, that's a block pero may foul. Two shots ngayon para kay Almario.
That's the third personal foul ni Taugan. And quick shoutout tayo habang nag-free throw si Almario. And from Jenay Asibor Ayala, shoutout po sa family Asibor and Antipatica Band from Pili. Thank you. And kay Miss Susan Alvarez. Happy viewing. Rebounded by the Greyhounds. Valera now making a play here. Same ball. Valera. Passes to Taugan. Taugan. Rebounded by Pulgar.
Valle kicks it outside. Pulgar mid-range. No good.
Valera now has the ball. Sarmiento recovers it, passes to Caronan. That's good. And to give us an update sa side ng UNC Greyhounds, let's call in our courtside reporter. Janelle, kamusta ang update sa Greyhounds? No good para sa kay Taugan dito. Ayun, tawagin natin muli ang ating courtside reporter. Hi, Ja. Take it away.
Mga kaibigan, andito na nga tayo sa ikahuling quarter ng laro na ngayong gabi ito. Hindi magtatagal, magkakaalaman na kung sino nga ba ang makakapasok, kung makakapasok nga ba ang
Greyhounds para sa finals bukas. Burns and Russell during the dugout, pinaalala ni Coach Miggy na dapat magkaroon sila ng presence of mind sa loob ng hardcourt. Makikita din natin na pursigido pa din ang Greyhounds na makalamang sa kanilang kalaban. Kaya binibigay nila ang kanilang buong puso para makahabol at makuha ang panalo. Yun muna ang update dito sa side ng Greyhounds. Balik sa inyo.
Maraming salamat, Janelle, from that update on the side of the Greyhounds. And tumawag dito ng timeout ng ating Greyhounds to make some changes dun sa 3-pointer na ginawa ni Valle just a moment ago. Back to the ball game tayo dito ngayon. UNC on the offense.
Bola ngayon ng Greyhounds. Balik kay Narvarte ang bola. O Chancela, di diskarte. Cervantes, balik kay Valera. Chancela now. From the elbow, that is off.
Sebor ngayon controlling the play for Ateneo. Sebor, hingi siya ng screen. Madridano gives it to him. Sebor penetrates. Passes to Madridano, mid-range. No good. Offensive rebound. Inside pass to Fulgar. Fulgar goes inside. It's a foul. 2 shots ngayon para kay Fulgar.
Oh, that's the 4th personal foul ni Breto. First attempt is off para kay Fulgar. Sino kaya ang aabante? Pero tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter sa side naman ng ating Golden Knights. Hi, Cass. Take it away.
Russell and Joshua during the third quarter. Joma Magdo, jersey 28 of Golden Knights, was disqualified from playing the game. Golden Knight coaches continue to point out the errors made by some of the players when playing in the hard court and expects them to make their play right. And now that we are in the final and last quarter, the Golden Knights still leading the game. They have to continue playing hard for them to win this match. That's the latest update from the courtside. Back to the panel.
Maraming salamat ka sa update sa side ng ating Golden Knights. And 2 points there.
Foul called here on Calo. That's his 5th personal foul. And he's gonna be excluded from the ball game.
Number 11, Carlo, is now out of the game, committing 5 personal fouls.
Almario has checked in para sa Golden Knights dito with 4 fouls. That's a costly turnover para kay Almario.
Walang yan ang ating Greyhounds. Narvarte. Turnover sa side ng ating Greyhounds.
Nice defense there by Monay. Getting a turnover para kay Narvarte. Fulgar with the ball. Back to Asibor. Asibor ngayon. Layup. That's good.
Bola ngayon ng ating Greyhounds. Valera now. Arbarte. Recovers by Valera. Taugan from the paint. Looking for a foul there. Oh, good.
Almario. Passes to Asibor. Asibor. No one inside. Madridano doesn't get that. Fulgar put back. No good.
Beautiful defense by the Greyhounds. Taugan.
Almario with the ball. 4 minutes, 13 seconds remaining dito sa ating ball game. Almario. Extra pass to Madridano. That's a foul.
Foul called to Taugan. And that's his 4th personal foul para kay Taugan.
Inbound pass to Madridano, no good. That's gonna be a foul called on jersey number 88, Valera. Penalty na dito ang Golden Knights. 2 shots here para kay Madridano. First shot, no good para kay Madridano.
Lapren at bola ngayon ng ating Greyhounds. Taugan now.
Layup there by Asibor is good. Whistle called by the referee dito.
Ano ba ang itatawag natin sa ating referee?
Jersey number 3 of UNC technical foul for unsportsmanlike behavior.
Jersey number 3 of the Greyhounds was called of a unsportsmanlike behavior.
3 minutes, 25 seconds remaining dito sa ating ball game. Still a 10-point lead by the Golden Knights.
And Asibor will make the bonus shot. Valera. Bola pa rin ng ating Greyhounds. Three minutes na lang mga kaibigan. And Ateneo has a 10-point lead. Sino kaya ang makakaharap ng ating Green Serpents?
Hindi pa natin alam, partner. Hindi pa tayo pwedeng maging kampante ngayon dito. 3 minutes is still a long time. But Asibor gets that steal. Asibor spins. Extra pass. Monay to Asibor. To Monay ulit. Floater. That's good.
Ball possession yun ng ating Greyhounds. We have Valera. Karunan.
That's a block. Asibor with a rebound. Passes to Fulgar.
Fulgar.
Fulgar to the corner. Monay. No good.
Taugan gets that rebound.
That's a steal by Monay. Monay with the ball here. Extra pass to Madridano. And a foul was called by the referee.
There's an referee pushing foul. There's an referee. You're excluded play.
Taugan is also out of the game due to 5 personal fouls, mga kaibigan.
Monay with this free throw here. Gets it. That's good.
Valera now has the ball. Passes to Caronan. Caronan from the free throw area. Short jumper is off.
Acebor with the ball here. Guarded by Valera. Humingi ng screen. Acebor a 3. No good. Offensive rebound. Acebor. To the corner. 3-pointer. No good. Put back. No good pa rin. Offensive rebound. Fulgar. Cool down dito. Sabi ni Almario. Almario penetrates. Layup. Kinulang.
Caronan now from the fast break. That's good. And we have a timeout called by the Ateneo Golden Knights with 1 minute and 24 seconds left sa ating fourth quarter, 68-57. Magbabalik po kami.
Ayan, pinasok na ni Coach Momo yung dalawa sa mga bench players niya. Coach Nuki pala, I mean. Turnover sa side ng Ateneo.
Caroche. Caronan. Again, unforced error para sa side ng ating
Acebor with the ball. That's a steal by Valera.
Valera now crosses over. Big Gaspi. Or jumper is off. Seconds to play, mga kaibigan. Natawagan ng foul doon si number 88.
.11 ball game here. Acebor with his first shot, no good. Second shot dito para kay Acebor. No good. Offensive rebound, Acebor. To Agravante. Agravante goes inside. That's a steal.
Beautiful drop there with the Greyhounds. Carroche.
Calleja to Acebor. Beautiful pass by Acebor. And that's the nail on the coffin para sa ball game na ito.
Licaspi fires for a long three-pointer, no good.
And that's gonna be it, partner. Ball game final score 57-70. Winner and will proceed to the championship match tomorrow. Ateneo Golden Knights.
Don't go anywhere, mga kaibigan. Magbabalik po kami para sa ating best player of the game.
The best player of the game is brought to you by NCF Gas Sports Track. Once again, showing us the Magus spirit, Ayavir, the best player of the game. Jerome Almario, jersey 19 with 22 points, 11 rebounds, 5 steals. Wow, congratulations for being the best player of the game. How does it feel to be able to contribute so much for your winning team?
Sobrang saya kasi natalo namin yung UMC pero hindi pa nagtatapos yung namin. Kailangan pa kaming ayusin and maging prepare pa sa sunod na game.
Ayan, since na-mention mo na hindi pa nga tapos ang laban, ano nga ba ang dapat naming abangan sa Golden Knights para bukas?
Yung defense lang namin and dodoblehin namin yung defense namin. Yun lang.
Ayan, we are currently live. Baka may gusto kang batian o pasalamatan. Go ahead, this is your chance.
Binabati ko pala yung mga coaches ko, teammates ko, Ateneo Cavalry na todo suporta sa amin, and sa family ko, si Mama. I love you, Ma, and sa'yo.
Ayan, thank you very much and congratulations for being the best player of the game. Once again, this is Cassandra Saton, courtside reporter here in Philippine Collegiate Championship League.
And ayan, congratulations para kay Jerome Almario for being the best player of the game, garnering a double-double. 22 points, 11 rebounds, all together with 5 steals.
Grabe.
And ayan na nga, mga kaibigan. Ay, may dumaan.
Shoutout.
Excuse me, kuya.
And
Ay, may dumaan pa. Ayun. Ayun pa. May dumaan pa. Pasensya na kayo mga kaibigan. Maraming nagsisitawiran dito sa aming ball game. Pero it won't deny the fact that the Golden Knights did a stellar performance dito sa ating ball game na ito. Napakaganda ng team chemistry nila. And syempre, nangibabaw talaga yung performance ni Mr. Jerome Almario.
ayun, pero kudos pa rin sa ating UNC Greyhounds sa napagandang laro na pinakita sa atin ngayong hapon. And mga kaibigan, yun na nga, naghihintay na ang Green Serpents para bukas sa kanilang championship game sa ating regional qualifying
Yes, partner.
match-up dito sa Philippine Collegiate Champions League. Mga kaibigan, bukas ang ating first game ay UNC Greyhounds versus the Annunciation Panthers para sa ating battle for third at ang ating championship game. Kung sino ba ang magka-qualify para sa ating South Luzon Championship battle between the Green Serpents and the Ateneo Golden Knights.
Makikita natin yan bukas, partner. Pero that is all of the time that we have. Dito, may tumawid pa rin. Isa pa. And yan mga kaibigan, ako ang inyong naging commentator. Si David Joshua Bernales. Kasama ko rin si Sir.
At ako po si John Russell A. Senior ang nakasama nyo dito sa ating regional qualifying round sa ating Philippine Collegiate Champions League. Only here at GNN Sports TV.
Liga ng mga kampiyon. Paalam po.